chike kuna vile hapana.
So hapo iko relative. It depends. You guys, your friend. Jamani, then we have plot with no title yet. Deal or no deal?
No deal.
Hata kuna kuongelea
unaenda kusema shamba ina title deed.
Shamba kitu ya muhimu sana ni shamba ni title deed. Tuseme wakati unaenda kufanya your due diligence. So you normally do it with a title.
Yeah.
Na hiyo title ndio iko na land. So you want to mean wakati wa due diligence kwani utafanya ama utatumia each means ndio ujue kama hii shamba
haitaki.
I think hadi saa hii the Kenyan economy ama the Kenyan lands ni ngumu sana kuona mtu shamba yenye hiyo inakupea sawa.
So tumesema plot with no title yet, no deal. Aya, installment plan land, deal or no deal?
Because you see that the economy some of cannot afford the full payment ama the full amount pata shamba ni 1.5 million or 1.6 million even 2 million for such a person I can pay installments. Yeah. So I think installments is a bit
kama sisi ya vima venye tunapeana una book with 100 wengine unalipa na up to 24 months.
So that is a deal. Now the last one is cheap land near Nairobi. Deal or no deal?
That is a no deal. But it depends when you say the cheap land. How cheap is it?
Okay, let's say you're at 250K. Cheap land near Nairobi.
You just know 50 by 100 unapata tu Nairobi cheapest. 1.5. Haiwezi kuwa
cheapest 1.5.
1.5.
Yeah. Someone is just saying 50,000 in Nairobi. So that is a no deal.
Okay. So we all agree cheap land near Nairobi is a no deal. Now, before we complete our session, probably our surveyor here can tell us mahali shamba zetu ziko because hapa kwa Zuma Properties dates zetu zinaivana.
Mashamba zetu ziko katika maeneo ya Kikuyu Kamango, just 45 minutes away from Nairobi CBD and 15 minutes from Kikuyu town. Na ploti zetu ziko in a media court Dikoni and Kiriri area, very well developing area. Na zina grow very fast. Come and look at it. That's tuone hapo.
And here at Zuma Properties we give you power to